Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Cam with Danomics again. So, in the last video, we went through and we, had Claude make a new CPI for us. Now, one of the first things you need to do when you start a new petrophysical interpretation is you need to set a key well. So I'm going to ask Claude to help me find a key well. This is a question that we often get from new users in the Danomics, which is, hey, how do I set a key well here? So we're going to ask Claude to do this for us, and I'm basically just saying, hey, in the new prb.cpi, can you go through and come up with 3 to 4 candidates for a key well? And I'm going to send that up to Claude. And Claude is going to go through its thought chain. It's going to show you its reasoning as it's going along. And then hopefully it comes back with some good logic and gives us some candidate wells for the CPI. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video so we don't have to watch Claude sit here and think. But we'll be back here in just a minute. All right, so we're back here. Claude has finished the analysis. And let's read through some of its reasoning here to make sure that it's sound. So first thing it says, hey, to pick key well candidates, I need to see which wells have the most complete log suites and good zone coverage. It says there's 56 logged wells, which is correct. And so it's going to pull some curve summaries so it can score them on completeness. It recognizes this is a Powder River Basin data set based on the counties that are available. And it knows that because of that, we're going to be targeting the Niobrara, Maury, Frontier, Parkman, etc. So it recognizes what stratigraphy it wants to have covered. And then it, checks and it says, hey, all 6 of the wells I shortlisted carry a complete set of tops. So it says tops aren't the differentiator here, so it should be log suite and hole quality, and it comes back with 4 options for us here, and it gives us a little description for each of these about the log suite and the well. So let's check a couple of these out. So I'm just going to copy this API number here. I'm going to come over here and search for it. So we've got this Devon family well. And sure enough, I can see that we have a pretty full log suite there. We've got this Wesco well. So, let's check that out. Okay, once again, very good top to bottom coverage. Available here, full log suite. It's got the Apache 34.9, so let's take a look at that one. And this well has a little bit less coverage. It looks like the sonic goes all the way to the top of the first logging run, but the neutron density didn't start until a second logging run. And then finally, we have a bit of an older well here, this True Oil well, and the True Oil 1, which is also known as the Ampulex State well. We've got full neutron density coverage through here, and it's but it does have sonic all the way to the surface. So we would want to make a decision here. It recommends the Devon well for us. It says it has the most complete log suite. So we're going to take its suggestion here, and we're going to say we're going to ask Claude to set this for us. So we're going to say, okay, I'll take your recommendation. Please set the key well to the to the Devon well. To the Devon well you suggested, and send that up. And once again, now it'll go through, do its thing, and then come back with the key well set. So I'm just going to pause this while it's doing that, and then we'll take one final look at it once we come back. Okay, so we're back. You know, Claude recognized that there have been some minor changes to the CPI since it had done its initial analysis, mainly that I just moved the map around, changed the layout a little bit. But it says it has now set the key well, so we're just gonna reload the tab here so we get a fresh view at the project. And sure enough, it has set our key well to this well that was drilled by Devin out here. All right, so there you go, folks. We have, our AI driving some of our petrophysics here within Danomics. All right, if you think this is pretty cool and you'd like to see what else it can do, just give us a shout at sales@danomics.com. Happy interpreting, everybody.